Hi guys, I want to ask you an honest question today. When it comes to equality, and when I say equality, I'm talking about gender equality. When I think, or of late, when we talk about equality, all we can think about is, women or woman empowerment. And do you think society has concentrated so much on one side, which is the woman or the women's side, that they've forgotten to think about how men feel or how they think about certain things? Let's dive into it. Of late, there is so much about empowerment, this, that, this, that, this, that, this, that. And, when I talk about men, equality, and all I'm trying to dive into is the problems that men face. And in this case, there are things like, the stigma around men crying, men's mental health, fatherhood rights, things like, men are supposed to provide regardless of the circumstances. And do you think of late people, or do you think there has ever been a conversation, or have you ever had people sit down and seriously talk about things or problems or challenges that men face as much as they talk about challenges that women face? Do you think it's indeed equality? So let me bring it up like this. Usually when they are treating a virus, when there is like an outbreak of a virus, usually scientists look for patient zero. So now let's call men patient zero, and let's call the other infected people victims, and let's assume victims are the women in this case. So usually when scientists are trying to look for a cure for that virus, they try as much as possible to look for patient zero. Who is the man, or who are the men in our topic today? So the reason that's why they do that is because it's so much easier for them to find the cure or the antidote in certain cases, which helps them to treat these other patients that were infected. So now let's go back to our topic. Do you think today, if they were to concentrate on men when it comes to equality, or when it comes to their challenges, do you think if they concentrated on men as much as they concentrated on women, it would actually benefit women more? What do you think? And do you think it would lead to less women suffering from abuse from men? Or do you think it would actually increase it? What do you think? Because in this case, if you are trying to stop something, heal something, or what, I think you're supposed to go to the root cause. Like, what is causing that? It's A, B, C, D. Okay, now how about I first concentrate on the root cause, or where the actual disease is coming from, cure it. After curing it, then I can come up, or that will even help me come up and cure these other people that were affected by the original thing. What do you think? Let's talk about it honestly and respectfully.